what can an attacker do when they get compromised admin credentials? The first thing that they usually do is alter registry entries. What does that mean? Basically, your computers are managed by things called GPOs, or group policy objects, right? The IT works a lot to put those objects in place, and that basically controls your wallpaper, controls what access you have in Windows, what access you need admin in Windows, and a lot of other things. So me as an attacker, I will modify this first, right? Second step, I will do installations of any supportive tools that I need so that I can further my attack. Third step, I will disable your defenses. And we saw the example earlier, guys, with the Terminator. That's a disabling of defenses. And this is also written in MITRE attack framework. You can find all the tactics that are being used to do this disabling. Fourth step, I will laterally move. What does that mean? I will go and scan your network and see what are other objects, assets that I can compromise before I launch my full attack. Then I will change configurations in your computer. So I will have my malware run as a shell in your computer, auto start each time, and so on and so forth. I will delete my traces so that you cannot find me. You cannot pinpoint the police to who actually attacked you. Then I will use powerful system tools like the ones you've seen earlier, sysinternal tools, like the one in which I harvested the credentials, and so on and so forth, right? And last but not least, and guys, this is the most dangerous one, and I'll actually tell you guys what you can do with this one. This is called impersonate the anti-system authority user. What does this mean? In simple words, I can do anything I want in this moment. This is the highest authority. It doesn't matter if you're a domain admin, local admin, the system anti-authority system user is the highest authority in the Windows computers. So in this moment, I can do anything. No matter what security stack you have, no matter how many $1 million you are investing in your organization on a yearly basis in cybersecurity tools, when I have this, that all becomes useless in that particular moment. So guys, this is a major danger. That's why I've mentioned 90% of this risk can go away if you actually do some things that we will talk about a bit further in the session.